Welcome back to Facts 360, where wisdom meets everyday life hacks. In our everyday lives, we often come across simple yet powerful tricks that can save time, effort, and sometimes even money. Today, we'll explore 5 practical life facts that you can start using right away. Number 1. How to keep bread fresh for longer. Most people store bread in plastic bags, thinking it will keep it fresh, but here's the problem. Plastic traps moisture, and that trapped moisture becomes the perfect environment for mold to grow quickly. Instead, store bread in a paper bag. Paper allows a small amount of airflow, preventing excess moisture buildup while still keeping the bread from drying out too fast. If you want to go a step further, you can wrap the bread in a clean kitchen towel before placing it in the paper bag. This adds an extra layer of protection. Bakeries have been using this method for decades, and for good reason, it works. Number 2. How to remove stains from clothes easily. Fresh stains are easier to treat than old ones, and the key is acting quickly. One of the most effective home remedies is a simple baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with just enough water to form a thick paste. Apply it directly to the stained area and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Baking soda works by gently breaking down the stain molecules and lifting them from the fabric fibers, without damaging the material. After the 15 minutes are up, wash the clothing as you normally would. This method works for many common stains, like coffee, sweat, and even some food spills, and avoids the harsh chemicals found in many stain removers. Number 3. How to make your phone charge faster. If you've ever been in a hurry and needed your phone to charge quickly, there's a simple trick. Put it in airplane mode before plugging it in. When your phone is in airplane mode, it disables features like mobile data, Wi-Fi, and background app refresh. This significantly reduces power consumption, allowing more of the incoming energy to go directly into charging the battery. In some cases, you might see your charging speed improve by up to 25 to 30%. It's a quick adjustment that can make a big difference when you're short on time. Number 4. How to keep herbs fresh for days. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or mint often start to wilt within a day or two if left in the fridge uncovered. The solution is surprisingly simple. Treat them like fresh flowers. Trim the ends of the stems, place them upright in a glass of water, and loosely cover the top with a plastic bag. Then store the glass in the fridge. The water keeps the stems hydrated, while the bag traps just enough humidity to prevent wilting without causing them to rot. Using this method, herbs can stay fresh and vibrant for up to a full week, sometimes even longer. Number 5. How to boil eggs perfectly. Every time boiling eggs seems simple, but anyone who's struggled with peeling knows it can be frustrating. A teaspoon of vinegar in the boiling water can make all the difference. The mild acidity of vinegar slightly softens the eggshell, making it easier to separate from the egg white once cooked. For best results, place the eggs in cold water, bring them to a boil, and start your timer once the water is boiling, about 9 to 12 minutes depending on whether you like them soft or hard-boiled. After boiling, transfer the eggs immediately to ice water. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling even easier. These simple yet powerful tricks show that you don't need complicated solutions for everyday challenges. From keeping bread fresh longer to peeling boiled eggs with ease, a small change in method can lead to big results. And this is just the beginning. There are countless little life hacks like these waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed learning these, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next set of practical tips that could change the way you do everyday tasks.